Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your tablet model supports Google services or alternative app stores. This matters because YouTube Shorts needs a compatible player. Once done, free at least one 2 GB and connect to stable Wi-Fi so downloads won't fail. If you plan to sideload APKs, enable installation from unknown sources in settings. This step lets you install apps outside the app gallery. Make sure battery is above 30% to avoid interruptions, and gather a USB cable. Next, install the YouTube app or a supported alternative so Shorts play correctly. If Google mobile services aren't present, sideload the official YouTube APK or install a trusted client like YouTube Vanced or a modern browser with mobile user agent. This ensures the Shorts tab appears. Once installed, sign into your Google account so recommendations and uploads sync. Make sure playback settings allow mobile quality streams, otherwise Shorts may fail to load or appear as normal videos. Finally, open the YouTube app or browser, tap the Shorts tab and swipe vertically to browse. That's how you watch. To create, use the Shorts camera or record in your tablet's camera app, then upload a clip under 60 seconds. Add music and captions before publishing. If Shorts won't load, clear the app cache, force stop and reopen, or reinstall the APK. Alternatively, switch to a browser and request the mobile site. If sign-in errors persist, check account sync and date/time settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.